Masturbation, meaning it is the act of sexually stimulating one's own genitals in order to elicit feelings of sexual arousal, or other forms of sexual pleasure, generally to the point of orgasm. A variety of stimuli, including hands and fingers, common household items, sex toys such as vibrators, and mixtures of these, may be used. It is possible to masturbate with a sexual partner, which may entail physical stimulation of the partner's genitals, such as fingering or a handjob, or to employ mutual masturbation as a kind of non-penetrative sex, such as kissing. Masturbation is common in both sexes and at all ages, including children. An attitude towards sexual activity in general and masturbation in particular that is positive and constructive has been linked to a variety of physiological and psychological advantages. A causal association between masturbation and any kind of mental or physical condition has not been established. Generally speaking, masturbating in privacy or with a partner is considered a natural and healthy element of the sexual satisfaction process in the Western world. Masturbation has been shown in art from prehistoric times, and it has been referenced and discussed in very early writings as well as in ancient texts. The term heinous, deplorable, and hideous were used to characterize it by certain European theologians and doctors throughout the 18th and 19th centuries, but during the 20th century, these taboos were gradually lifted. Increased debate and representation of masturbation has occurred in several media, including fine art, popular music, television and motion pictures, as well as literary works. Masturbation is seen differently by different faiths today. Some believe it is a spiritually damaging habit, while others believe it is not, and some adopt a situational approach. The legal position of masturbation has also changed throughout time, and masturbating in public is now prohibited in the majority of nations. Animal masturbation has been documented in numerous species, both in the wild and in captivity, and it is thought to be a natural behavior.